Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Bawat bata may tanong,
ba't ganito? Ba't ganon?
hayaang buksan ang isipan.
Sa science o agham, tayo na sa siniskwela. Tuklasin natin ang siyensya,
Buksan ang pag-iisip.
tayo'y likas na scientist. Tayo na sa siniskwela, tuklasin natin ang siyensya. Kinabukasan ng ating bayan, siguradong makakamtan. Sa daigdig ng aghan, halina't lumipad sa daigdig ng isipan. Tayo na sa siniskwela.
Sulod.
Oo, naka-switch. Nakukulangan ng video. Kaya sorry, anong nagulan? Di ba first? Ay, sa bilyan ako first. Di makatuto sa bilyan? Dito ka mag-usay nga, nakata.
Welcome to the world of ferns. These are the different kinds of ferns.
are the main way a plant takes in nutrients from the soil. Of course, plants photosynthesize using sunlight and carbon dioxide to make sugars, but they also need nutrients that the sun can provide, and they got those from the ground.
Roots, the underground photosynthetic structures that take up water and nutrients from soil. They are always fibrous and are structurally very similar to the roots of seed plants. This is what you call the stem of the fern. Fern stems are often called as rhizomes, even though they grow underground only in some of the species. Epiphytic species and many of the terrestrial ones have above-ground creeping stolons, and many groups have above-ground erect semi-woody trunks. This can reach up to 20 meters tall in a few species.
Are where the magic happens. That is, leaves are where photosynthesis happens. Their leaves are a very specific shape and are called fronds.
The photosynthetic part of the plant is technically a megaphyll and fern. It is often referred to as a frond. New leaves typically expand with the unrolling of a tight spiral called a closure or
If humans didn't have vascular systems, we could be big old blobs of cells. And if plants didn't have vascular systems, they would be mosses. Seedless vascular plants made a major breakthrough in plant evolution because they developed a way to transport materials around the plant body.